No, sir, we
They wanted it to be closed and provide retrenchment compensation to the workers.
You have opened the Pandora box. Let them explain.
Madam,
Yes.
they appointed a one-man commission to analyze the functioning of all the misbehaving institutions. Where is the report? Was it placed before the assembly?
DMK, can you explain?
Was it placed
Yes.
before the assembly?
Yes.
Let them
No, see, it is not necessary that it has to be
Why-
placed.
why-
The
why
question
not?
is, what is
That means- that means
See,
you
it is
are
because
accusing
it is
the
not
government.
no. Let me
They
come
don't
to
respect the
this. Let me come to this.
They don't
It is
respect
not
the
about the
people.
one man.
Don't
No,
respect the
it's not about the
legislature.
one man committee.
You don't respect the
No,
legislature.
it's not that way. It's not that way. It is
I want to
Mrs. It is Mrs.
understand.
Kiran Bedi who does not respect the
Again, you're going to-
legislature.
I am
Will
not
Puducherry.
Please
That is the
hold
problem.
on.
That is the problem.
Let's
Mrs.
have one
Kiran
answer.
Bedi. If there is one
Let's
problem in
come
Puducherry,
back
No, no.
if there is one
We have
problem
gone
in
through
Puducherry,
the
that is Mrs.
recommendation.
Kiran Bedi.
Of Pondicherry, when they have a small question, for the past 5 years, you don't have answer to open the sick industries, sick PSUs, and after all the 5 years, you now blame Kiran Bedi for it.
Okay.
Ordinary
Can I-
electorate will know who has to be blamed.
See, the thing is this.
All the recommendations I have, what we
I've
made.
gone to meet Smriti Irani, the textile minister.
Okay, let's
All
not
the
deviate.
recommendations
Now,
are
wait a
himself came
second.
there.
Let's not deviate.
What was the
Let's
all
not
the
recommendation
deviate.
has to be given.
Can we streamline the
நான்
show,
எழுந்தான்
please?
பேசணும் போல இருக்குது.
Yes,
Madam,
बोलिए.
regarding the Rhodes mill and the other mills, there was a delegation from Pondicherry initiated by Mr. Narayanasamy when he was a central minister, just to show that he is more interested
You
in
see,
welfare.
the point
Please,
is,
yeah,
I
allow
got
me
it.
to
I got
complete.
it. Okay, complete. Complete.
Answering, they accused me, and I am answering.
This is a response.
As far as Mr. Rangasamy was here, he wanted to act against him. So he asked a delegation, including the communist people, went to Delhi, and he took them to the textile minister, announced over the press that 300 crores will be given to Puducherry to revive the Rhodes mill.
Are you making false promises? This is
I have the press
okay.
clipping.
Now DMK.
Wait.
Again?
And
Okay.
he said, immediately you go to Pondicherry, you will get 100 crores. The people came back very happily. Not even one paise was given during this
Shall
period.
I answer? The central government wanted a project
Wait a
report.
second, ma'am, hold on, ma'am.
At the time, the central government wanted a project report to revamp these mills. But the government here was the NR Congress government. This government did not prepare any project report to send to the central minister. So how will they release the money?
Now let's move on the issues. AIADMK on the national broadcaster, the assurance coming from this alliance, DMK, AINRC and the BJP to the people of Pondicherry. Because there has been lot of volatility, politically speaking, lot of uncertainty, and you all are answerable to the people.
Yes.
We will give a stable government.
You will give 1 minute to me?
Let him finish,
him
yes.
complete. Without interruption.
With these allies,
I can't promise that, yes. Go ahead.
with these allies, we will give a first stable government to the public, to the people of Pondicherry. Then
But my question to you is,
Yes.
you are promising stability to them, but how stable are your relationship amongst each other? I started the show
it is
with
there.
the chief ministerial
I
candidate
answer?
clarity.
It-
Is it going to be Rangaswamy or the other gentleman who was the force to reckon with Congress and who jumped the ship and joined the BJP? Are you not confusing them further?
our
Tell them who is your chief ministerial candidate.
We will
that is
inform.
to be decided after election.
Our
Because
NDA leaders will
NDA
announce,
allies are
madam.
there.
Okay.
NDA,
Our
NDA
leaders
chief.
will announce.
It goes
Yeah.
without saying.
Yeah.
Leader of
Madam,
the
we say now.
NDA.
Madam, you
leader
did
of
not
the
bother
no.
about the chief minister.
That subject will
Our
be raised
NDA
only
I am
after
not
election.
bothered about the chief minister, sir. I am
Definitely
not
we will
bothered,
have
but
one
I
chief
represent
minister.
the people here.
Okay. Definitely.
So
You
I'm
need
going
not
to,
bother about
because
it.
when people come out to
Our
vote,
NDA leader will
when
announce.
people come out to
Our
vote,
NDA
they deserve to know.
Yeah.
They
People
deserve
are
to
voting
know.
for
When
NDA.
people come out
We
to
talk
vote,
about
the
NDA.
government matters, they
Madam,
deserve to
people
know.
are voting for
Yeah. The
NDA.
deserving
Okay,
person
you've
will
already
come.
decided.
You want an
People are
answer?
voting
Let
for
him,
NDA.
let him, okay, are you done? Yes,
Madam,
go ahead.
my
I am
appeal,
also one more answer for assurances.
Let him finish, then I'll
Madam.
come to you, I promise. Yes, go ahead.
Madam, my appeal to the Pondicherry electorate is based on our past performance. The NR Congress government led by Mr. Rangasamy during 2011 and 16.
So,
That was
but
the-
when I ask you about is Rangaswamy going to be the next chief minister if you win?
Hopefully.
Hopefully. Hopefully.
Our NDA leaders will announce,
He
madam.
has
Madam,
already made an announcement.
Madam, please.
You both are not on the
No, no,
same
please
page.
wait.
You both are not on the same page.
Madam, that doesn't matter.
Madam,
It is well.
Electorate is very smart.
Mr. Rangasamy is one of our powerful NDA leader.
Yes.
Yes,
What about
he
the
is
other
NDA
leaders?
leader.
What is
I'm
the
coming to
what
you.
is
What
the
about
wrong? What
He
is
is
the
the
problem?
NDA leader.
No,
Madam,
no,
people
you
want
say
an answer.
He is one of the popular leader.
Madam, please.
NDA
Let me-
leader.
I have not completed
What
the
is
answer.
wrong in it?
We are approaching the people based on a past performance I said. See, we have launched several flagship schemes during our regime. It was the golden era. It set an example to the whole of India. Kamarajar Educational Assistance Scheme. See, even people from the poorest to poor family were able to complete MBBS and engineering with the government assistance.
Okay. Policies.
One. Second, Kamarajar scheme for converting huts to the concrete.
That's okay,
50
sir.
Wait, no.
So-
Then how can I go to them?
So
I will
that is
continue
your
with the
manifesto.
beneficial
Let's
schemes.
not. This show is not about all for manifesto selling here. This show is about the issue and the accountability and the
Yeah, when you
answerability.
speak about-
DMK,
Madam.
don't say yes. You
Madam,
haven't
you-
replied my
you
question.
ask about-
Where is your Congress? I'm
I'll-
coming.
I'll-
Where is your Congress person? You said
We'll
just
have to call him up
missing
and
one
find out
show.
where he is.
No,
The more
okay.
important is to
Honestly,
find out
honestly.
which party he is going to
No,
jump.
no, no. See,
See,
That is
it
also
a-
there.
it's a
No, no, no.
blatant
Do you
attack.
have any information from your friend?
No, we have to
Do
understand.
you
the
have
other
any
way. See,
information?
it's not
Let
there.
us
Because
know.
we don't know where Congress
CPIM
and
is
DMK
easy.
He's
You are
well aware because
talking
TMK
against
is known as
you.
Oh,
selling
certainly.
all the time.
Hold on.
I want to ask you
Ma'am,
whether
hey,
Mr. Namachiyam
Sudhaji,
is
coming
corrupt
to-
or
coming to-
not. Once he
He
has
is
joined
not
you,
corrupt.
he is
Hold
not
on.
He is
corrupt.
not corrupt.
Please
Okay.
put it up
He is
nicely.
Okay, no,
Not
he said
corrupt.
it upside. I got it. Now allow the other side also. Yes.
Yeah, so we are talking about a lot of issues here.
Now,
You say this is about the issues of the people.
What
The
happened?
biggest issue. The biggest issue.
DMK, I want to ask you because Congress is not there. I think they tried to they gave it a miss because I think they knew the kind of questions that would be put up to them. But since you are partner, please answer my question. Puducherry was always, politically speaking, about Congress. What happened in the last few months that Congress is on such a back foot? Why is it that their lead series of defections? I don't know. I mean, you would also not know what happens the next day. Why?
See, if there are some
his
bad
party as
apples,
well.
if there are some bad apples,
Suddenly the apples go bad just because elections are around
And
the
they
corner.
don't-
that is
They're not
one
even
aspect.
removing
That
the
is
bad
one
apples
thing.
from their
That is
party.
one thing.
They're
That is
just
one thing.
suspending them.
That is one thing.
They're
See,
just
the
suspending
biggest
them.
issue.
Become
See, the
bad.
biggest
You
issue.
lost the floor
The
test.
biggest issue.
You
the-
lost the numbers.
No, no, that's what.
Is this,
That's what.
Is
When-
this not
when-
very,
when you are
is
intimidated,
is it
you are
not
induced.
Okay.
See, that is one aspect.
And
We
they
have
have
discussed about
MLAs
it.
and MLAs who are intimidated.
See,
who can be easily
They
intimidated.
have-
fall to
and they don't have
temptations.
the
They fall
capacity
to
to
temptations.
throw them out.
Can I speak for a
Okay,
minute?
okay, speak,
Yeah.
speak, speak.
See,
Let him speak.
So the biggest issue the electorate in Tamil Nadu and Puducherry is facing is the onslaught of the BJP, onslaught on the Dravidian principles.
Yes.
Apart from this, the LPG price rise, the petrol price rise, the diesel price rise, what is their answer?
With regard to petrol, diesel and cooking gas price rise issue, I
It is
want
because
to,
of
just,
Congress,
I'll tell you.
because of
no,
Nehru.
no, I'll tell you.
No, because of
No,
Nehru.
just
Okay,
a minute,
let
just a
him
minute,
say.
just a
You know
minute.
what he's going to ask.
See how he is, the panic in his face. I want to tell to the electorate of Pondicherry that there was a committee called Rangarajan Committee appointed during the Congress regime. Who was the man behind? No, I'll tell you. Who was the man? No, I'll tell you.
Is he
No, I'll
speaking
tell
against
you.
his leader?
I'll
He is
tell you.
speaking against what is
I'll tell you. I'll tell you.
His leader gets this.
No,
His leader
I'll
gets
tell you.
what he's saying.
Say, let him.
His leader
No, no.
protested.
Let them hear me.
Leader protested. Protested
Let
against
them.
petrol,
Let
diesel
them.
prices.
Let them hear.
Final lap of the
Let
show.
the electorate.
Final lap of the show.
Let the
Okay.
electorate and the co-participants hear it. Let
Indira Gandhi,
me.
Nehru,
Please
Rajiv
see
Gandhi,
how they
all
happen.
three are responsible.
There was a policy called arm's length pricing. Arm's length pricing brought in by many of the people who knows economics here. They understand that what Rangarajan,
That is what I'm saying.
Rangarajan
Rajiv
committee
Gandhi,
recommended.
Indira Gandhi, Nehru,
They only
all are responsible
no
for the petrol
here
price hike.
this
Modi
Congress
is not responsible.
this Congress
India is not responsible.
this Congress
What a
this
shame.
Congress
What a fall from grace.
this
No, no.
Congress
No,
is
no.
responsible for it. Anyone
Is-
talks sense, if anyone talks about administrative governance and efficiency, they will shout us out.
Okay.
This is the problem with DMK and Congress. I am talking about economics. I am talking about
What
facts.
economics is
I am talking about
No,
facts.
what
Can
economics is
anyone
talking
deny
about?
there was a Rangarajan committee?
He respond
Then
to
anyone
the
deny
point.
there was an arms length
I will
pressing?
respond.
No
Okay.
one can deny.
Okay.
But the Congress and DMK, they live in the past. They will always live in
What-
denial.
what is this
They will
Rangarajan
always
committee?
live in
Explain,
denial.
sir. What is
They
this
will not
Rangarajan
think about
committee?
people.
Okay.
They don't have an
DMK
iota of interest or they
Okay,
don't have
so
iota of
you
interest
are
in people.
one thing is clear. Okay,
Yeah.
hold
We
on.
are more
You
informed.
So
attacking
let
them.
me put this way. Let me put it this way. So PMK is agreeable for this price rise. They don't dispute this price
I am not
rise.
agreeing to the price. I am
where
going
is
to
it?
the
Where is
source
it
of the
now?
problem.
Where is it
I
now?
am going to the
He is
source
saying,
of the issue.
okay, if NDA
It was
tells
all
him,
because
okay,
of Rangarajan
I'm
committee.
okay, I'm okay.
Any person who knows what is
okay.
arm's length
PMK
pricing,
says-
any person who knows what is the petrol pricing will know that.
PMK says, no, let us put it in
No, no, no,
perspective.
let
PMK
me
says
put it-
petrol,
No,
diesel,
I'm
price
not
rise
saying.
is okay.
You talk about
As
yourself.
LPG
Why are
is
you talking
okay.
about
You are
yourself? You
saying
talk
that
about
I am
yourself.
reducing it. I am reducing it.
How long since BJP is in power?
See, they won't
What
answer the
things
proper
they could
facts.
not do?
In Janmat program, we discussed about unemployment. But if any parties win in the election, what will be the steps or measures will be taken for the unemployed? Just explain.
Madam, during our previous regime, we filled 7,400 government posts without any complaints, giving employment to the aspiring youth. Now, in this government, during the last 5 years, 9,500 posts are vacant. No steps have been taken to fulfill them. We assure you that within 1 year, all will be filled. And one more, we have vacant lands in many places, in Karaikal and Pondicherry. We will certainly persuade some of the industrialists to set up industry. Industries from
Okay, answer ho gaya. Yes,
to set up industry
Yes,
and
sir,
open
sir.
up
Okay,
avenues
okay,
for
okay.
employment.
Okay, yes.
During the
We assure
visit
you.
of our Prime
Okay.
Minister Modi ji, he promised in the public meeting that Puducherry is to be developed at the best Puducherry. Best means development in business hub, development in education hub, development in spiritual hub, and then development in tourism hub. So the best Puducherry, we are having a vision to develop Puducherry as the
Okay.
best Puducherry. For
All right,
NDA,
all right.
NDA is having a vision.
Ah.
So if business hub is developed, employment problem will be solved.
All right, yes, go ahead.
See,
We are having vision.
Okay.
beginning of this argument,
Vision, we
what
have-
they
we
were
have
saying,
got all the
don't you know,
ambition.
see, beginning of
Sir,
this,
let them answer.
yeah,
Okay.
see, beginning
Huh.
of this debate show, their response was that, oh, how can you question Mrs. Kiran Bedi? Don't you know this is a
Again,
union?
what is
Let me
DMK's
put it.
fixation for
Let
Kiran
me-
Bedi?
It's not
My
fixation.
God, this show
See, the
is
problem,
Janmat.
every
Janmat
problem
means
is,
mandate.
you can trace it to
DMK.
her. Allow me to speak. Why are you interfering?
You
Allow
are
me
not
to speak.
answering the question.
I am.
You
are
are not.
interfering before I could. You are
No, I'm
interfering
You are
before I
coming
could
up with the
complete
whole
myself.
Kiran Bedi
Yes.
rhetoric.
Yes, because I'll let you explain.
Mandate of the people is what matters.
Yes,
My
I-
last
I-
question
Kiran
to you.
Bedi didn't know
I
that.
need to wrap up. I need to wrap up.
No, just a minute, just a minute. See, that's what they said. It's a union territory. So the lieutenant governor. Okay, I'm not using the name Kiran Bedi. The lieutenant governor and the chief minister
Okay,
both
yeah,
have
yes.
coexistent powers.
Huh.
Why the NDA was waiting so long? For the 5 years, why did you not do that?
Okay.
It was Mr.
Okay,
Narayan
30
Swamy who
seconds.
paved the way for that.
30
He only
seconds,
said,
sir. We need to
Lieutenant
wrap up.
Governor
Otherwise,
alone
we
has
will
the
go
power.
on and on and on.
He appointed
accusing
Mr.
us.
Kataria.
Okay,
to
30
control us.
seconds.
They stop privatization of electricity
I
department.
repeat,
What
I
is
need
their
to wrap up the
stand?
show.
They stop
I need to wrap up the show. 30 seconds, not 40 seconds, just 30 seconds, all of you. On this show, on Janmat, which means mandate and the will of the people, all political parties, main key players, regional players, which will play a decisive role here. All of you are going to play a very, very decisive role. I mean, when I say all of you, I mean the parties. Decisive role in terms of giving a stable government to Puducherry, because this has been a rocky ship for the people here politically, because no stability. I start with the AIADMK. Why should they vote you?
Because we assure the people that that too the unemployment problem in Pondicherry is very high. More than 75%. It has been data has been collected. So it is first our will and wish to give employment to the youths. So we are more concerned with about their life. And even there are so many people who have completed their education, they went away from Pondicherry and they are suffering a lot. Somebody may get a job, somebody may not get job.
Employment, point taken. Yes.
Madam, we appeal to the people. Every member of the family during our golden era of governance were benefited, whether it is the educational assistance scheme or scheme for converting huts to the concrete houses, Rajiv Gandhi roti milk breakfast scheme, free laptop for the students, and monthly pension for the old age people and also disabled people, and cycles and all other materials to the school children. Everyone in the family was benefited.
You have made all these promises
this
on
will continue.
record on the
This will
national
continue
channel.
and expanded.
You will have to fulfill them.
Yes,
if they won't.
certainly. This will continue
BJP,
and it will be expanded.
how confident, my question, I want to ask you
Will they
this.
deny it that they
Let
got
them
such
answer.
benefits?
How confident are you by joining formally hands with AIADMK and AINRC, two powerful regional players?
The central government schemes will be properly implemented in Puducherry. If NDA government is formed here, the central government schemes, all welfare schemes, for example, Ayushman Bharat, and for example, that free houses, all schemes were properly implemented here, and we are also assured that we will give corruption-free, transparent government to Puducherry. This NDA government will be the government for people, people's government.
Okay.
So we are having full hope. The people of Puducherry are in a clear mind that NDA government will improve the Puducherry state.
Yes, CPI. If needed, will you join hands with the NDA or will you join hands with the UPA?
Why? How can we join hands with the NDA?
Okay. Will you join hands with the UPA?
Sure.
Okay, that's an announcement.
I just want to make two quick points. One is Pondicherry, we got our independence here because of the movement of the communists. It is a fact. It's a historic fact.
All people
And all the people, stood with the communists. But all the people stood with the communists. There are legendary leaders over here.
And
it has a, I mean, if you're not going to allow me to speak, then I better keep quiet on national TV. You had your chance. You said what you had to say. I must have my chance to say. I must have my chance to speak. I must have my chance to speak. But the point I want to bring it to is that the democratic rights of the people of this union territory can only be safeguarded if a secular democratic forces come together. And that is what this is all about.
Are you hinting,
secular democratic progressive forces together with
are
the
you
Congress
hinting,
DMK.
8 seconds, sir, please.
And anybody,
are you CPI?
anybody who doesn't let us
join
speak,
hands, if they need
let
you,
them
will
go
you
and
join?
speak.
Let me, please, sir, this is not done. If needed,
Then you keep
fine.
BJP, anyway,
Okay,
BJP.
let's not make it BJP
So
versus
anybody
them.
who dissents with the
Will you,
BJP,
if needed, therefore
we
coming to a
are
very important
with
question.
the secular
Okay, all right. Will you join? Just ignore. Will you join hands with the DMK Congress if they need you?
secular.
If they need you,
I will speak only after Mr. Ashok
please, sir,
finishes.
1 second, Ashok.
I will not speak until Mr. Ashok
Will you?
finishes.
No, please, we have to wrap up. Will
Then
you
you give me the chance
Yes,
to speak.
go ahead.
We are with the secular democratic progressive front with the Congress and the DMK protecting the interests of the working people of Pondicherry and the democratic rights of the people
I
of
think it's a
Pondicherry.
crystal clear answer. Yes, DMK.
Yeah, see, this is a battle for the soul of Puducherry. We don't want, I don't think the people of Puducherry will want a Hindi majoritarian party coming here and controlling them.
Don't get into this language. No,
it is.
No,
Saravanan. It is.
No, and no.
That is what this is that kind of, this is the land of Dravid. This is the Dravidian land.
Politics?
We don't want. This is the question is about social justice. The question is about social justice. Whether we want social justice.
Are you going to make these elections about language now?
Absolutely.
Are you going to?
Absolutely. This will be made.
Are you not even concerned?
This will
is
be
language going to be a decisive?
Because this is about.
Is language going to be a decisive point here? Please, don't get personal. Don't get personal. Sir, you're not allowing. Sir, everybody has to speak, sir.
Why is he not allowing them to
His
speak?
party MP Tiruchi Siva singing a Hindi song in parliament.
Okay,
She
no,
is speaking about
we
Hindi.
will have to omit this out. Please
The people should
don't
know the
say
real fact.
things which will not
He
go
is
on air.
singing a very good Hindi
Acha,
song.
okay. Okay,
along
go ahead.
with
Go ahead, bus,
MPs
bus, bus,
Yeah.
yes.
in Rajya
See,
Sabha.
this is about
Ghulam Nabi Azad,
whether the
function.
Dravidian ideology should rule
Now he
this
is
state.
speaking about
Raju ji, ek second. My question to you is the decisive issues that will decide the fate of
This will
Puducherry.
decide.
No, you are.
Who has to rule the people of Puducherry? That is
Go
the
ahead,
decisive
go
issue.
Go.
That is the decisive
Okay,
question.
okay.
With all due respect to everyone, with
Now
all due,
let PMK
with all
also
due
speak.
respect to the elders, the respectful electorate of Pondicherry has to understand that the empty rhetorics of the past has to be completely thrown away. As a party from PMK, our leadership, Dr. Ramdas, has always said the one single solution for Pondicherry issues and crises is the genuine demands of Pondicherry people. The statehood of Pondicherry has to be newly brought in. Statehoodship is very important with regard to financial issues, administrative issues, and all the agrarian, industrial, all the crisis has to be solved only with the help of proper
But the
statehoodship.
alliance partner
Let
will
me
not
complete.
agree. Alliance partner,
Let me
what the
complete.
BJP has to say.
Let me complete. And more importantly, we don't give lame excuses in the name of Lieutenant Governor, in the name of central government, in the name of state governments, in the name of jumping MLAs from one floor, one side to another. We won't get all this into blame game. So we are a small party, we know that, and we know our stake, what kind of stakes we have in Pondicherry, and we are very clear that the Pondicherry people is deserved to have a very good, proper government.
If it's a
that is
fractured
possible.
mandate, which side will PMK go?
We will go with the side which stands for the aspirations of Pondicherry.
Right now, it is not decided. Are you playing wait and watch policy?
It's not wait and policy. It's a genuine concern for our party to stand with the particular situation wherever we are, where our respect is protected, where our aspirations are protected, where our concerns are satisfied. That is more important.
Do you promise stable government to them?
100%. The Pondicherry people, the respectful electorate of
But you
Pondicherry.
have kept your okay, but
So
stable government. But then you have kept your cards close to your chest.
gives-
No,
you
I'll
are
tell you.
not.
Gives a stable
No, I'll
government.
tell you.
They will
I'll
be
tell you.
part of
I'll tell you. Presently, the Pondicherry people are very clear about to provide a proper stable government. They will elect a particular party.
And you will decide
No, no.
you will decide you will go with the power
No,
center.
I'll tell you. Why you want to pre-conclude? Why you want to
Okay,
have
then-
a jump
then-
in
oh, because they
We
want to
will-
know.
No, we will stand with the people. For example, if you are elected in a particular number of seats, we will stand with those particular constituency people. We are very clear with it.
Okay,
So
okay.
we have a proper set of principles, proper set of aspirations, proper roadmap has been given to the people
Okay,
of Pondicherry.
okay.
We will stand by that.
Let's quickly thank all the panelists. We start with thanking AIDMK representative here, Ramalingam ji. Also thanking Professor Ramanujam from AINRC. Also thanking Ashok Babu from the BJP. Also, let's thank Dinesh Puneya from CPI and Ms. Sudha from CPIM. And let me quickly thank Vinoba Bhupati from PMK and also Sarvanandan from DMK. And let us also once again remind our viewers that we had despite getting a confirmation from the Congress that they are going to be sending their representative to Janmat, they did not. And the empty chair is there to tell you and show the viewers of Doordarshan, this is how Congress decided to play it out in terms of not sending its representative to tackle the questions, the issues that matter the most, because at the end of the day, all these parties which are the regional players forced to reckon with, when we talk about the political turf of Pondicherry, they have made poll promises, they have attacked each other, they have counter-attacked each other, and they have gone on and on about the manifestos. But at the end of the day, is it going to be the UPA? Remember, this has been a traditional bastion for the Congress party, or is it going to be a new government, BJP making inroads with the help of AIADMK and AINRC? Or is it going to be a third option completely? Remember, PMK and left, of course, deciding to go with the UPA, but PMK also trying to test the political muddy waters here, saying that we will go with the government, but let's see who forms the stable government. They are saying that they'll go with the stability. On that note, let's quickly wrap up this edition of Janmat, which we bring to you from the assembly premises here in Pondicherry on Doordarshan, from me and my entire team of Janmat, and also on behalf of the Janmat here, the mandate, the people who matter the most. Thank you so much for having us here. And with that, let's wrap it up. Namaskar.